Hey guys, so Cubot has announced a new 5G rugged phone called the Cubot KingKong Star 2. It's Cubot's most powerful 5G rugged phone of 2024. And if you look closely at the design of the device, you realize that it looks a lot like the Cubot KingKong X. Anyway, as we usually do on the channel, let's quickly explore its top features. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications to get the latest tech updates and to get the best rugged phone deals. So without further ado, let's dive into it. So the Cubot KingKong Star 2 is a rugged smartphone that doesn't compromise on performance or features. Powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 200 octa-core processor, backed by an Antutu benchmark score exceeding 900,000. It is designed to deliver impressive speed and responsiveness. The phone utilizes 12 GB of RAM and it has 256 GB storage to ensure smooth multitasking and ample space for your apps and files. The device features a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD display and boasts a high 144Hz refresh rate for buttery smooth visuals and is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass for durability. The standout feature is the customizable rear display, allowing you to personalize your phone's appearance with unique patterns, animations, or even notifications. Fueling the device is a substantial 5100 mAh battery that supports 33 watts fast charging, ensuring you stay powered up throughout the day. Also, the KingKong Star 2 runs on the latest Android 14 operating system, offering a clean and intuitive user interface with the latest features. In terms of optics, the KingKong Star 2 packs a powerful 100MP main rear camera capable of capturing stunning photos and videos. The 32MP selfie camera ensures you look your best in self-portraits. The specs of the other cameras at the back are not disclosed, but I'm expecting the device to feature a night vision camera as well. Now, built to withstand the elements, the KingKong Star 2 is IP68 and IP69K rated for dust and water resistance, and it also meets the military-grade standard A10H certification for durability. So connectivity options includes Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, OTG, NFC, a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, and facial recognition for added security. Now, while the dimensions of the KingKong Star 2 are currently unknown, it is designed to be slim and lightweight, making it comfortable to hold and use. So these are the top features of the Cubot KingKong Star 2. Overall, it's a compelling rugged smartphone that offers a powerful performance, customizable features, and a durable build. And it's going to be very affordable when it's available. Anyway, feel free to share your thoughts about the Cubot KingKong Star 2 in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.